Now let me see. I will go to the third part, the applications. Okay. We have a specific article about how the laser cutting is used in fashion industry for your better understanding. And those are the commonly used materials. First, I would like to share with you is this custom apparel. Custom apparel is basically customized. It is becoming a market trend due to because it need no warehouse. It can be delivered very fast, and you can design at your wish. Yeah, so laser cutting is actually a perfect cutting tool for this part because your fabric is rolled. So after you design the layout, because each and every garment factory, they have the CAD software, right? And after they import this design, the laser can just cut automatically. And you can cut one or two or even hundreds within one day, because for each garment, the laser can finish it in minutes, within minutes, depending on the pattern numbers. Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
And when you're saying that it can import pattern files, and is there any compatibility with all, or it need to be converted to DXF first, and then, or it can import the AMA files or any other extensions? Is there any problem in that in terms of?
It can, the laser control software can support almost all the garments CAD patterns.
Okay.
But the file is DXF or PLT.
Okay.
Okay.
PLT.
PLT.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Plotter.
Oh, okay. Plotter file. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. This is the custom apparel. And the second part is the laser engraving and perforating, because in fashion, there are so many designs, right? And laser is actually we can say that might be the single tool to realize this function, because it is very, very difficult for other machines to satisfy this kind of cutting design requirements. Of course, there is another kind of punching machine. Punching machine can punch these kind of small holes, but you need to make templates for it. Yeah, so for small order, the laser might be your only option, or your production cost can be super high. Yeah. And similar to the laser can cut acrylic and wood and plastic, they can all. So for designers, laser is definitely a very, very flexible tool to satisfy your imagination and realize it at a super low cost.
Is there just again a question?
Yeah.
For cutting, suppose this wood products, let's say engineered woods, which is having, let's say, 1 mm or 2 mm thickness. Is it the same laser machine can do that, or which can cut wood also and it can cut the fabric also with an adjustment, or there's two different machines we need to go for?
Same.
Okay.
Yeah. Because when we say that 100 watts is most popular laser power recommended, we are not saying that there are no higher one, but 100 watts is a perfect balance between the cutting effect and the cutting speed. When cutting fabric, actually, we only need to use about 10 to 20% of the whole power.
Okay.
Yeah, and the same machine can cut this plywood within 1 cm, the same 100 part. Only the difference is like the cutting speed. And of course, if you want to have a better cutting effect, you can replace it with a honeycomb or blade knife table. The table is a little bit different because for fabric roll, the conveyor belt is more recommended.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But why in laser you need a honeycomb kind of surface table? Because there's no blade. So what is that kind to do? Because it absorbs some kind of power or something?
No, the you mean the different, why we need so many different table, right?
Yes, yeah.
Because for conveyor belts, I will show you. Let me see if I have here working table. You see, this is we call it honeycomb table, and
Okay.
yeah, this is fixed. For the conveyor one, because there are smoke generated, right? And for the conveyor one, the smoke exhausting effect is not that good as the honeycomb.
Okay, yeah, just to take back the smoke in the below. Okay.
Yeah. And also for the blade one, I will show you later. The blade is perfectly for the hardware like the acrylic or wood. It is only needs some kind of support frame, but no need and how to say when the laser cuts through the material surface, it won't have light reflected.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, this is the engraving and perforating part for laser. And the third one is especially for those sample room, you need to cut patterns, right? And paper pattern, I mean. And when you equip the laser with this kind of drawing pen, a very simple device, you can realize this function. One laser can cut and draw the paper pattern and also cut the fabrics. So the sample room, the space is limited. So they will choose this one machine with multi-functions.
Okay.
Yeah. Now we will get to this part.
This is a special pen or any pen?
Ordinary pen.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.